Hello everyone. In the previous video, I have showed you how to deploy Tomcat 10.0.5 with Java 16 on Amazon EC2 server. Now, in this video, I'm going to introduce how to set up a database which will be working with the server we have just deployed. So now the first step, we are going to launch a new database. So create database. Okay, standard create, and begun to use MySQL. The version is okay. Here we just use to free tier just to save some costs. So that depends on which kind of server you use. So okay, the master username admin, you can choose to root whatever you want. So let's set up a password here. So this area we just use the default, and default. So here I'm looking for some password. Create new. Well, data. Set window. Enable deletion protection. It looks good to go. I'm just checking. Okay, so here the public access, because we are going to use our computer, the database, to upload and control the database on the Amazon cloud. So we need to choose the public access. Now we are good to create. Okay, group name. Okay, let's choose the existing. Okay. Default. Okay, I think now it's good to go. Okay, now this time we are going to use the database 3. Now it is in the processing of creating. Before the database is going to work, let's look at what we have. Okay, so we just make sure our instance will be successfully to visit what we have created. So let's look at the security group here. So because we are going to use the SQL database, just be sure the 3306 port should be open to access the database. Now let's look at the database. Creating. Okay. Okay. Here. Inbound. Here we have opened the all the ports just to show you how to successfully connect the database. In future, you must close some of the ports, and it's better to fix the IP you have used in order to malicious attack on your database. So let's go back to look at the database. Okay, it is still creating. Let's look. So the endpoint still is not yet completed. So just be waiting for a while. Creating. It takes a longer time. Okay. The status still is in creating. So just be waiting for a while. Okay, now here we have got the endpoint. So we just copy this endpoint, and then we could on our MySQL workbench we create AWS 03. The host name we just paste the address we have just copied, and the username is admin. Click, then we go to test. Okay, now I input the password. I have set up. Okay, successfully. Good. So okay, so right now we create the new schema. So open, apply, okay, close. Okay, now use, okay. Now I'm going to copy the database I have created. So So refresh all. Let's see all the tables here. So okay. So I have successfully updated the database. Now we need to go back to here. So we need to put so, no to endpoint here, and this is database open admin, and this is the password I have used for this database. Then okay, save. Okay, let's check again. Okay, so export the file. Load. Okay, download. OT. Downloads. Finish. Okay, now let's go back to manager. Okay, because I already have the file, so we need to remove the previous deployed, and then we download deploy here. Okay, now let's try to log in. Okay, no. I have logged in the system, and even we can try the admin login. So admin 01. Now the database have successfully working with the website, the Java, and so that's all for how to set up the database, working with the Tomcat server and the Java system. They are working on the newest version.